Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can attach files in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. If you're wondering how you can send your friends files on Zangi, this is the process to do so. Go ahead and select any chat you want with your friend and click on the plus icon which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. After you click on it, you can see the file option. Go ahead and tap on it and click on continue to send and receive music, audio, photos and video and allow Zangi access to your media. So go ahead and click on continue, allow for the access, and you can see that it will explore your file explorer over here. You can send anything which you want. So let's suppose I want to send this JPG file. So you can see that, you can notice that if you select the file, the full photo will be gone and no data will be taken and it will not be minimized as well. So go ahead and click on the plus icon, go to file, and you can send anything. Let's suppose I want to send a document. I'll just go ahead and click on document, go to last file or something. So you can see that this is the document I want to send and this is the file I want to attach. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, and as soon as I click on it, you can see that the file has been uploading. The data and mobile data might differentiate on the download or upload speed, but the file will be sent and no data will be minimized or the file size will not be minimized as well. So I hope this video about how you can attach files in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.